This video demonstrates how to install Magna Lens magnetic adapters onto Walker's Razor earmuffs. The first step is going to be to remove the bracket from the OEM earmuff. To do this, you will want to open up the earmuffs fully and then slide your hand in. You will want to rotate the bracket perpendicular to the earmuff cup. Then you will grab onto the bracket or carefully use a pry off tool. Then pull directly upwards firmly and the bracket will remove. It is important to note that the bracket will rotate 90 degrees in order to slide off the headband wire. This is because of a crimp on the end of the wire. Next, you will take the Magna Lens magnetic adapter and recognize that the magnet is always going to be positioned closer to the earmuff pad, and therefore this adapter is the correct one for the right ear. The bottom hole will attach to the earmuff cup and the top will go into the earmuff wire. Once again, due to the orientation of the crimped headband wire, you will install it rotated 90 degrees from the installed position. Then align it and snap it back into place on the earmuff cup. You will repeat the process on the other side. You may need to pull firmly and then rotate the bracket to remove it from the wire. Then take the Magna Lens magnetic adapter and slide it onto the wire vertically, rotate it 90 degrees, and snap it onto the earmuff cup. And that is how you install the Magna Lens magnetic earmuff adapters onto your Walker's Razor earmuffs. If you have any questions about this installation, please feel free to contact us as we would be happy to help.